Cable TV payment process. Now, let us proceed with Cable TV payment. To do this, click on the Cable TV shortcut. Next, fill out the payment form. Enter your cable IUC number, which is typically a 10-digit number. Select the biller, such as MultiChoice DSTV. After the first recharge, the system will automatically fill in the biller for future transactions. Click Proceed to validate your IUC number. The customer name will appear. Select the biller. Select the subscription plan or bouquet you prefer. The amount is editable, so you can choose a longer subscription period if desired. Input your PIN, which by default is 0000. Enter your phone number and email address. Add any remarks if needed. Click Proceed to complete the transaction. You will now see the transaction receipt. You can print, download, or share it as you like. Once done, let us return to the dashboard.